Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If one of the angles of a triangle are more than 94 degrees, then the triangle is it's an, let's see, one angle is larger than 94 degree, that is larger than 90 degree, lesser than 180 degrees, which is nothing but an obtuse angle. So this triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. This is the answer.